Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the basics. Plug the Opal in and confirm the power light is steady. Fill the reservoir to the marked line with cold water because water temperature affects extraction. Measure 1820 g of medium-fine coffee for a single serving. Tamp lightly if required. Once done, insert the basket and ensure seals are clean and aligned. Then place the drip tray and cup under the spout so the machine can begin without interruption. Now load the measured grounds into the portafilter or basket and level them. Avoid overcompressing because flow depends on even resistance. Attach the portafilter securely, select your brew mode and size, and check temperature and extraction time. Those settings control strength and flavor. Press start and watch the first 10-15 seconds. You want a steady, even flow and rich color, not sputtering or pale drips. If flow is off, stop and reseat the filter before continuing. When the target volume is reached, stop the brew and follow the Opal's finish routine. Purge steam or run a short flush to clear lines and preserve flavor. Remove and empty the basket, wipe the group head, and perform a brief rinse cycle to remove oils. If the brew is weak or slow, check 3 things: grind size, tamp pressure, and water temperature. Also reseat the portafilter and seals. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.